You're about to send that important message. Your heart starts racing, your stomach tightens, and you think, I'll do it later. That's not just procrastination. That's your nervous system screaming, we're not safe. Here's the truth. You can have the perfect mindset. You can visualize every single day. But if your nervous system is stuck in fight or flight, none of it will work. Why? Because manifestation isn't just about what you think. It's about what your body believes. And your body is controlled by one critical nerve that most people have never even heard of. The vagus nerve. This nerve is the master switch that determines whether you feel safe or threatened, calm or anxious, open to incredible opportunities, or completely closed off in survival mode. And the most incredible part, you can learn to control it in real time, in seconds. Welcome back to Freemind Journal. Today, we're diving into the final, most crucial piece of the manifestation system, nervous system regulation. Now, a quick disclaimer. These are powerful nervous system regulation tools based on neuroscience, but they are not a substitute for medical treatment. Please consult your doctor if you have any cardiovascular conditions. Here is what most manifestation teachers do and tell you. Your conscious mind can want success with all its might, but if your nervous system is stuck in survival mode, your subconscious will sabotage every single opportunity. You know you should make that important call, but something holds you back, a tightness in your chest, a nagging voice whispering, not yet. You see a perfect opportunity, but instead of excitement, you feel a wave of anxiety. Your mind says yes, but your body is screaming danger. That's your nervous system, locked in fight or flight mode. And when your body doesn't feel safe, manifestation is impossible. Here's why. Your reticular activating system, that attention filter we talked about in our first video, starts scanning for threats instead of opportunities. Your prefrontal cortex, the strategic part of your brain, goes offline. You become reactive and impulsive instead of calm. This is where the vagus nerve becomes your superpower. The vagus nerve is the longest nerve in your autonomic nervous system. It travels from your brainstem all the way down through your neck, your chest, your heart, your lungs, and your entire digestive system. What makes it so extraordinary is that 80% of its signals travel up from your body to your brain. Only 20% travel down. So your body's constantly asking your brain, are we safe or are we in danger? Based on that signal, your brain activates one of two states. The first is the sympathetic state, or fight or flight. Your heart rate spikes, your breathing becomes shallow, and your digestion shuts down. Your brain filters only for threats. This state is designed for pure survival. The second is the parasympathetic state, or rest and digest. Here, your heart rate slows, your breathing deepens, and your muscles relax. Your attention opens up to new opportunities, and the strategic part of your brain comes back online. This is the state where manifestation actually happens. The vagus nerve is the switch between these two states. When you learn to activate it, you send a powerful signal to your brain. It's safe. We can rest. We can create. You can intentionally activate your vagus nerve and shift your entire nervous system in under 60 seconds. This ability is called vagal tone, and just like a muscle, you can train it. Here are 3 signs that your vagus nerve needs some training. Sign 1. You can't seem to calm down even long after a stressful event has passed. Sign 2. You go from 0 to 100 emotionally, with no middle ground. And sign 3. Your resting heart rate is consistently above 75 beats per minute. If you recognized yourself in any of these, what I'm about to show you will completely change how you experience stress. I'm going to teach you 4 simple techniques, 2 for daily training, and 2 for emergencies. Let's start with technique 1. HRV breathing. This is your daily foundation, and it only takes 5 minutes. It's the most powerful long-term technique for building strong vagal tone. Here's how you do it. Simply inhale through your nose for a count of 4, and then exhale slowly through your nose for a count of 6. Repeat this for 5 minutes. That specific rhythm, where your exhale is longer than your inhale, maximizes vagal activation and increases your heart rate variability, or HRV. High HRV means you have strong vagal tone, allowing you to recover from stress faster and stay calm under pressure. The best time to do this is every morning or evening. Consider it your daily nervous system workout. In the first few days, you might feel a bit restless, and that's perfectly normal. It's just your nervous system learning a new, calmer pattern. Technique 2 is humming or chanting. This takes just 2 to 3 minutes. The vagus nerve runs right through your vocal cords, so creating a vibration there stimulates it directly. All you have to do is take a deep breath and then hum on the exhale, making a sound like Ami, or really try to feel the vibration in your chest. Repeat this for 2 to 3 minutes. This is exactly why monks chant for hours. They are maintaining constant vagal activation. You can use this before sleep, before meditation, or any time during the day to shift out of a stressful state. Alternatives like singing, gargling with water, or even a genuine, hearty laugh work the same way. Now for the emergency resets. Technique 3 is the physiological sigh. This is your 10-second panic button, developed by Stanford neuroscientist Dr. Andrew Huberman. Here's how it works. Take a double inhale through your nose, a full inhale, then another quick sip of air on top, then a long, slow exhale through your mouth, making it about twice as long as the inhales combined. Repeat this 2 or 3 times. The double inhale reinflates tiny collapsed air sacs in your lungs, and the long exhale instantly activates the vagus nerve to slow your heart rate. Use this whenever anxiety spikes, before a tough conversation, or when you catch yourself holding your breath. The best part, you can do it anywhere without anyone noticing. Let's try it right now. Pause the video and do 3 physiological sighs with me. Feel that? That's your vagus nerve activating in real time. Our final technique is cold water activation. Think of this as your 30-second emergency brake. Cold exposure triggers what's called the mammalian dive reflex, which instantly activates the vagus nerve. And you do not need ice baths or freezing cold showers. Here are 3 simple options. First, splash ice cold water on your face for 30 seconds. Second, hold an ice pack against your cheeks and neck for 30 seconds. Or third, just run cold water over your hands and wrists. Cold receptors on your skin send an immediate signal to your vagus nerve. Your heart rate drops, and your body hits the brakes, pulling you out of survival mode. This is perfect for when you're spiraling in negative thoughts, feeling acute panic, or are just completely overwhelmed. A quick safety note: keep the exposure to 30 seconds max, and this isn't recommended if you have cardiovascular conditions. So, how does this all connect to everything we've covered? In our previous videos, we talked about reprogramming your RAS to filter for opportunities and using sleep to program your subconscious. This, regulating your nervous system, is the missing piece. When your vagus nerve is toned, your body feels safe. When your body feels safe, your RAS can look for opportunities. And when you're calm, you can leverage sleep to solidify those new patterns. It's a complete system. Vagus nerve regulation allows your RAS to work for you, which you then program during sleep. So, how do you build this into a daily practice? It's simple. In the morning, do 5 minutes of HRV breathing. During the day, every time you check your phone, do 1 physiological sigh. It's a great habit anchor. Before any stressful event, do 3 physiological sighs. In the evening, do 3 minutes of humming to prepare for restorative sleep, and keep the cold water technique in your back pocket for emergencies. Trying to manifest a new reality without regulating your nervous system is like trying to drive a car with the emergency brake pulled. You'll burn a lot of fuel and energy, but you won't get very far. The vagus nerve is the lever that releases that brake. So let's put this into action right now. Join me in doing 3 more physiological sighs. Feel the immediate shift. Now, I want to hear from you. Comment below Which technique are you committing to trying first? If this video gave you a clear, neuroscience-based framework for change, hit that subscribe button. We're here to create real, lasting transformation. It's time to stop just asking for change and start creating it from the inside out. I'll see you in the next protocol.